In the wild world of gemstones, few stones hold as much mystery and value as the diamond. But out in nature, rough diamonds can often look just like ordinary rocks, or worse, like quartz and other shiny minerals. So how do you really know if that shiny stone in your hand is a true diamond, or just a very convincing imposter? Let's dive into the science, tests, and secrets that gem hunters and geologists use to identify real rough diamonds from similar-looking stones like quartz, zircon, or topaz. The most famous test? The scratch test. Diamonds are the hardest natural substance on Earth. They rate a solid 10 on the Mohs hardness scale, while quartz rates only 7. This means a real diamond can easily scratch glass, quartz, or even steel. Take a clean piece of glass. Gently press the edge of the stone and drag it across. If it leaves the strong scratch line without the stone itself getting damaged, you might have a diamond. But careful, many hard materials can also scratch glass. So this is just one clue, not final proof. Also, beware. Some fake diamonds like synthetic moissanite or cubic zirconia can also scratch glass. So we need more tests. Look at how the stone reflects light. Diamonds have a brilliant, oily luster, and under sunlight, they can show rainbow-like flashes, especially in rough form. However, unlike quartz, diamonds don't usually sparkle like glitter. Instead, they give off a deep, intense shine. Quartz, on the other hand, often looks more glassy or cloudy. It might look beautiful, but its brilliance is different. Try using a flashlight. Diamonds will reflect light in a strong, sharp way, while quartz will scatter it more softly. Real rough diamonds are often translucent, not fully transparent. They might look yellowish, gray, or even slightly brown. If your stone looks crystal clear like glass, chances are it's quartz. Also, check for bubbles inside. If you see bubbles, it's likely a fake or man-made crystal. Diamonds don't form with air bubbles. Many diamonds form in an octahedral shape. That means like two pyramids joined at the base. Sometimes you might see triangular growth marks or a trigonal pattern on the surface. These are great signs. Quartz usually grows in hexagonal prisms, long, six-sided shapes with pointed tips. Even if the stone is rough, its overall shape can give you strong hints about what it really is. One advanced test uses a diamond tester, which checks thermal conductivity. Diamonds conduct heat quickly, while quartz and glass do not. These testers can give an instant yes or no result. If you're serious about testing stones, it's worth getting a basic thermal diamond tester. This تتلجم المري. So, is your stone a true rough diamond, nature's hardest and most precious gem? Or just quartz, the master of disguise? Remember, use the scratch test. Check the light reflection. Look at structure and color. Try a thermal test if you can. And always, for 100% confirmation, bring it to a gemologist. Even the pros use microscopes and lab equipment to be sure. Keep hunting, stay curious, and maybe one day, you'll hold a real diamond from the earth in your hand.